Okay, so we're going to do today is make a drawing so that we can use it as a pattern for our actual CO2 blank. I just noticed that I chose one of my on-shape sketches that does not have the axle holes in it, but it should work just the same. So make sure that you have your axle holes, everything's complete, you measured to see that yours is the right width and all that good stuff before you do this step. Okay, so once you are ready for this step, we're going to go ahead and select the whole car. You're then going to right click on it and create drawing. We're going to go to for views. Yours will be on shape up here. I believe it'll look something like this. And we are going to go ahead and select the first one and click OK. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to select this and hit the delete key. We actually don't want these. Delete key. And now we're going to, somewhere in the white space, right click and go to drawing properties. If I totally not right. Click on it and sheet properties. Okay, we're going to go to make this 1:1. Okay, and then we also need to go down to custom. This is our size of our paper. We make this 14 by 8.5. Then go ahead and select. We're going to go ahead and slide these out a little bit so they're centered on our paper. Some of yours may be a little longer and just barely fit. But I cut some of the front of my car off so it's shorter. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to right click on this one. We want to show hidden lines. You're going to right click on it again, and you're also going to show hide sketches, and then we are going to do sketch 1. Accept that. For some reason it's not showing up the best, but that's okay. On this one we're going to do the same 2 steps. Show hidden lines. Okay, and then right click again and show hide sketches, and then sketch 1, or whatever is your side view on the sketch or the blank. Okay, and that will give us an outline of the blank. We need this because this is the part we actually cut out and paste onto the blank, so we know that it's in the right place on the blank. Okay, then down here you just want to make sure that a couple of these things are correct, 1:1 and all that good stuff. We're not going to worry about the weight so far at that point. Last thing that we need to do is we need to click down here in drawing, and we're going to right click on it, and we are going to export. You have to change this. I believe it's defaulted to one of these ones. We do want to make it a PDF. You do want to make sure it has your name in there. Something along those lines. And then go ahead and export. When you're done, you will now have a PDF that you can print and use as a pattern for your CO2 dragster.